Hatchback. A hatchback is a compact car with a rear door that lifts upward to access the cargo area. Unlike a traditional trunk, the storage space is connected directly to the passenger cabin, making it easier to carry larger items. Hatchbacks became popular because they are practical, easy to park, and efficient, especially in busy cities. Sedan. A sedan is one of the most common types of passenger cars. It has 4 doors and a separate enclosed trunk behind the rear seats. Sedans are designed to balance comfort, fuel economy, and everyday usability, making them a popular choice for families, commuters, and business drivers around the world. Coupe. A coupe is traditionally a 2-door car with a sporty appearance and a lower roofline than a sedan. Although some modern coupes have 4 doors, they still focus on sleek styling and a driver-centered experience. Their compact design often gives them a more dynamic look and feel on the road. Convertible. A convertible is a car with a roof that can be folded or removed. Some use soft fabric tops, while others have retractable hard roofs that disappear into the rear of the vehicle. Convertibles are designed to let drivers enjoy open-air driving while still offering the comfort of a regular passenger car when the roof is closed. Wagon. A wagon, also known as an estate car, combines the comfort of a sedan with extra cargo space. Its roof extends all the way to the rear, creating a large luggage area behind the back seats. Wagons became especially popular with families because they can carry passengers and bulky items without becoming as large as an SUV. Liftback. A liftback looks similar to a sedan but opens with a full rear hatch instead of a separate trunk lid. This design makes loading larger objects much easier while keeping the car's streamlined appearance. Many drivers choose liftbacks because they combine practicality with a more elegant shape. Fastback. A fastback is identified by its smoothly sloping roof that flows continuously toward the rear of the car. The design improves the vehicle's appearance and can also reduce aerodynamic drag. Fastbacks have been used on sports cars, luxury cars, and even muscle cars for decades because of their distinctive profile. SUV. A sport utility vehicle, or SUV, is built with a higher driving position, spacious interior, and increased ground clearance. Originally inspired by rugged off-road vehicles, modern SUVs are commonly used on regular roads and are valued for their roomy cabins, flexible seating, and ability to handle a variety of driving conditions. Crossover. A crossover shares the appearance of an SUV but is built on the same platform as a passenger car. This gives it a smoother ride, better fuel economy, and easier handling while still offering extra space and a higher seating position. Today, crossovers have become one of the most popular vehicle types worldwide. Pickup truck. A pickup truck features an enclosed passenger cabin with a separate open cargo bed behind it. Originally designed for work and farming, modern pickup trucks are also used as family vehicles and recreational vehicles. Their ability to tow trailers and carry heavy loads makes them extremely versatile. Minivan. A minivan is designed mainly for transporting families and groups of people. It usually has 3 rows of seats and sliding side doors that make getting in and out much easier in tight parking spaces. The spacious interior allows it to carry passengers, luggage, or a combination of both with excellent comfort. Van. A van is a larger vehicle built primarily for carrying cargo or multiple passengers. Some vans are used for commercial deliveries, while others are designed as passenger shuttles or camper vans. Their simple box-like shape maximizes interior space, making them useful for many different purposes. Sports car. A sports car is built with driving enjoyment as its main priority. It usually features responsive steering, strong acceleration, and agile handling. Sports cars can have 2 or 4 seats, but they all focus on delivering an engaging experience rather than maximizing passenger or cargo space. Muscle car. A muscle car is a powerful American performance car known for its large engine and straight-line speed. This category became famous during the 1960s when manufacturers combined mid-size bodies with high-performance V8 engines. Muscle cars remain symbols of raw power, bold styling, and classic American automotive culture. Pony car. A pony car is a compact, stylish performance car that became popular after the introduction of the Ford Mustang in 1964. Compared with muscle cars, pony cars are generally smaller, lighter, and more affordable, while still offering sporty performance. Many famous American performance cars belong to this category. Grand Tourer. A Grand Tourer, often called a GT car, is built for comfortable high-speed travel over long distances. It combines strong performance with luxury features, refined interiors, and a smooth ride. Grand Tourers are designed to make long road trips enjoyable without sacrificing speed or style. Supercar. A supercar is an ultra-high performance vehicle designed to deliver exceptional speed, advanced engineering, and striking design. Most supercars are produced in limited numbers by manufacturers such as Ferrari, Lamborghini, McLaren, and Porsche. They represent the highest level of performance available in road cars, while remaining practical enough for everyday roads. Hypercar. A hypercar pushes automotive performance even further than a supercar. These vehicles often use cutting-edge materials, hybrid or electric technology, and extremely powerful engines to achieve remarkable acceleration and top speeds. Produced in very limited numbers, hypercars often serve as showcases for the latest engineering innovations. Luxury car. A luxury car focuses on providing maximum comfort, premium materials, advanced technology, and a quiet driving experience. Rather than emphasizing outright performance, these vehicles prioritize refinement and convenience for both drivers and passengers. Brands such as Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Lexus, and Rolls-Royce are well known for producing luxury cars. Off-road vehicle. An off-road vehicle is designed to travel confidently across rough terrain where ordinary cars struggle. Features such as four-wheel drive, strong suspension, high ground clearance, and durable tires allow these vehicles to handle mud, rocks, sand, and steep trails. Whether used for work, exploration, or adventure, off-road vehicles are built to perform far beyond paved roads.